What's your one wish? If we were to ask many people this, they would answer right away. What is their main wish? What is the one thing that they want in this dunya, in this life? But in the Qur'an, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calls us to reflect on the one wish that people will have in the hereafter. What is that one wish? رَبِّ ارْجِعُونَ. Oh my Lord, send me back. لَعَلِّي أَعْمَلُ صَالِحًا. That perhaps I will do a good deed. And the other verse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions to send me back so I can give some sadaqah and I can be from the salihin, from those who are the pious ones. What is the main objective of this verse? It's not to show us what's going to happen and what their one wish is going to be Yawm al-Qiyamah. The main objective is to have us to reflect, to realize that this life that we have, this opportunity that we have right now, today, this is the only opportunity that we have. Once we're gone, there's no coming back. Game over.